Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my course Fundamentals of Full Stack Web Development with Django and Python, or Django 4 by example. So in this course and all other subsequent videos, we shall be teaching you how to build a full stack web application with Django from scratch. This course is made for beginners in mind, so if you're familiar with Python and basic web browsing and you want to know maybe website development with Django, then this course is for you. So this course is going to teach you each and everything you need to know about Django from the ground. For example, the models, the views, the path, the settings, the templates, name it all. Everything is going to be taught in this course. So one more thing is that this course is actually based on a book called Django 4 by example. So in case you need to dive deeper through the concepts which are going to be discussed into this course, you can get a copy of this book and maybe follow along as we discuss most of the things in this book. So now one more thing is that in this course we shall build several projects, and it's going to be series of several videos, so you need to subscribe to this YouTube channel, so in case when I release a new video, so you can get notifications. So without much saying, let's head over to VS Code and start coding.